Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back on this Sunday. Yes, on this Sunday, we have here an additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, June the 15th, June the 16th, 2024 is today, Sunday, June the 16th. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiwa block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, in the evening, we have one puzzle left, the Samurai Sudoku, and the Samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour to solve. So there's a lot of puzzles, but first, let me start with this one, the 3 star Sudoku number 8728. 8728. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. Because for 3 stars puzzle, usually we have 25 printed digits. This one is 30. So for a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. The question is this a 3 stars puzzle or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right, let me see which number can I pick. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4, 8. Yeah. In this row, we need an 8. 5 missing numbers. We need an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number is a 4. We have 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. Alright, 7. And I need a 5. We need a 5 here. Okay. I need a 2 here. Alright. Then, let me see. I need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 3 here. I'm scanning now. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Oh, 3, 3. Here, I need a 3. Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay, 8, 8. 8, 8. That means in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. In the second column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the 8 in the second column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. Only place left for 8 should be there then. Alright, now I cannot continue with 8. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so row above. Only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay, need a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 6 here. 1, 6, and the 7. 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the only place left of 7 in this column should be there. Okay, so the 1 and the 6 are left in this column. 1 and the 6. Here also 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright, 9, 9, 9. 9.
Hoe lang nog?
10 minuten.
Afgelopen, hè?
3. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left of 5 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left of 6 should be there. 6, 6. 1 box left in this big square for the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Need a 9 here. Need a 1. Need a 2. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1. Need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the first row, no 2 there. The only place left. The 2 should be there. Alright, then I need to think here. 5 and need a 9 here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 5, and 3. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 8, 8, need 8 there. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 7, 7, need a 7 here or there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So we have a 1 here, 1 there. That means the 1 in this row should be in one of these 2 boxes. Here. We have 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 1. 1 and 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 and the 6 are missing here. 1 and the 6. Here also 1 and a 6. Here 1 and a 6. Well. Come on, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 7, 7. Need 7 here. 7 there. Need an 8 here. 9. I need a 5 here. Yeah, I need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5. That means there we need a 5 also. How about here? 4, 4, need a 4 there. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Well, this one is complicated. Complicated. 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 here. Well, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Need 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. Oh, need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 7 in the fifth column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Come on, this is taking too long. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 4, 4, need a 4 here or there. Come on. 1, 4, and 3 is missing here. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 4, and 8. Well, we have an 8 in this row. No 8 in these two boxes. The 8 could be here, could be there. 1, 8. Okay. 1, 8, 3. Come on. 1, 9, 4, 9. 6. Need an 8. Yeah, give me 6. Give me 6. Yeah, could be 6. Need a 6. 6, 6. Need a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Now only 3 places left. 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Need a 5. Come on. No 5 here. So the 5 should be one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 in these two boxes. 5 in the first column. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 5 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and a 5. We have 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Mark this box with 1 or 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Mark those 2 boxes only with a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Mark this box with 1 or 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so this box should be 6. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this column. 8, 8, 8 should be here. Alright. 8, 8, 8. 4 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 7, 6, and 4 is missing. Need to wait. 1, 1. Need a 1 here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. How about these 2 missing numbers? 6 and the 9 are missing here. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left. The 7 and a 4. Yeah, the 7 and a 4. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place 11 to 7 should be here. And the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, not faster. Let me give this a 1 star. 2 stars. Yeah. 2 seconds less. No, 2 seconds more. 15 minutes and 2 seconds, I believe, or 3 seconds. Let me give this 2 stars. Well, having troubles, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.